Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Giraffy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. We're going to start out by drawing the overall head shape first. So it's just going to be one big circle. So you can use any kind of drawing aids to help you. Hopefully you can draw a clean looking circle. And then after this circle, we're going to draw in his nose. So just come to the center of the circle. Just draw like a little egg shape on its side. And we can finish out the nose just by adding 2 little nostrils. Okay, and then to finish up the snout area, from the center of this, just come up, make a little point. And we're going to draw a big circle coming all the way down, almost to the bottom. I know my circle is very wobbly. Alright, and then from there for his eyes, just come out an angle right here. Whatever space you have, just draw a little circle. Same thing here. I'm going to draw 2 circles inside and now shade around it. And then for the cheeks, just come out to the side here. Just draw a little egg shape. Alright, so let's finish up the ears, and then we'll add in the little patterns on his face. Okay, so for his ear, just come up from the center of this, make a little point. From this point here, I'm going to angle up. Come over here, draw the same angle. And then now just kind of close it off. Okay, so close it with an angle. So come up from the eye, make a little point, slant out, Same thing here. And then just close it off nice and sharp. Alright, so now for the little patterns on the face. Let's just draw one curve here. And there's gonna be one right around here, just right around the eyes. Let's draw one down here. And then same thing here on the eyes. So just kind of go right into the eye and go back out. Alright, and I'm not going to shade those in right now. I might do it later. Let's go ahead and finish up the body first. Okay, so come down here for his neck. Nice and thick here. Close it off with a curve. For his shoulders, just come down here. Go out. Just come straight down first, and this is gonna be his armpit. Now we'll pinch it in for his waist. Go back out slightly, and that's gonna give us the full body, and I'll close that off. Okay, so let's continue down and finish up the legs first, since the legs are pretty simple to draw. So right in the middle right here, draw a little line, and then come straight down. So this is gonna be the inside of the legs. And then now for the outside, I'll continue this. Just stop a little short right here. And on the bottom, it's one little bump, and then close off the bottom. Okay, so just continue this. So it's gonna be a little bit wider down here. Stop a little bit short. Curve out, and then close it off. Okay, so let's come back up here and finish up this arm, and then we'll draw in this one with the club. So again, here's the armpit. Come to the shoulder here. Curve down. One long bracket all the way down here. And then for his hands, nice and simple here, just one little hook. Here's the back of the hand, just come down. And then right here, I'm just gonna curve it in. Just one little loop. And we'll just connect to this. Okay, so the other side is gonna be similar. Shoulder. This part's gonna be the same, just one long bracket. And then on this side, it's gonna be holding the club. So I'm gonna come down here on the thumb. It's one loop. And then right here, come out, just kind of loop around, go back into the thumb. So those are gonna be the fingers kind of wrapped around the handle. And then now whatever space you have here, just close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in the club. So I'm gonna start right here. Let's go out first. And let's go ahead and finish up the back of the handle right here. So I'll just continue with this line here. Close it off. And then on this side, there's gonna be some details. And it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Just gonna add a little angle right here. And then we'll go back out. Then right here, I'm just gonna close it off, and I'll add in a little bit of a waviness to it. And then let's add in some little details right here to the club. Hopefully that'll make it look like wood. And that is it for this Giraffy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.